So yeah, this cheap multimeter has a little bit of problem. So when I put this in a diode testing mode or continuity mode, we use this mode to test LEDs, right? To test LEDs or a short circuit or at any diodes. So now let me just show you. So you can see the LED is working, but it doesn't show how much voltage drop is across the diode. So we want to know the voltage drop across this diode. In some more versions of this, I saw the voltage drop is shown here in some YouTube videos. Maybe it works on some models, so just check this one before buying this cheap multimeter.